file contains my kind of OpenStack credentials. I need to paste that in because the script uses it to help deploy. And I'll show you just real quick what it's got in there. It's got an authentication URL. It's got my tenant ID and tenant name, my username, and it'll prompt me for my password. So this is just allowing the OpenStack clients to function. So when I want to load in an image, launch some new servers, that sort of thing. This script, if you source that on any Linux shell, it's going to give you all the variables that you need to run that. So going to run the env, cloud env command in env10. That's one of Nebula's internal environments, and up just means that it's going to launch it. And you'll see that it's starting to build a VM for us here, the Stackato bootstrapper. This is the one that's going to go ahead and handle all the heavy lifting. So now it's prompting me for my OpenStack password. That is from the RC file you just saw, and it's telling me that I need to add a new security group rule to a group called Stackato that it created for me. This extra rule is so that any of the Stackato cluster VMs can talk to each other. So I'm just basically opening up all the ports, but I'm not doing it publicly. I'm going to say that only other VMs in that security group can talk to each other in this fashion. Excuse me. So it's launched our first node here. This will be the core node for Stackato. It found the image in the environment, and it's in the logs here, so it didn't need to load all that up. The reason I do this is just because it takes a while to download and upload that image. It's fairly sizable, but nothing unreasonable. And so, yep, we've got our core node. It is spawning, and when that comes up, we will go ahead and